What's up and welcome back, guys. In this video I want to cover 5 things that I wish I had known before starting out in the Amazon FBA journey to hopefully give you guys an idea of things to look out for, things to keep in mind if you're just starting out and trying to sell on the Amazon FBA space, or if you're progressing. But first, if you guys don't know me, my name is Andy. I'm a multi-6-figure Amazon FBA seller. If you guys are new to the Amazon space or you guys are looking to sell physical products on the Amazon FBA platform, be sure to subscribe to my channel. I post videos every week, sometimes multiple times a week, so be sure to stay tuned for that. Also, stay till the end of this video because I need you guys to help me out and comment down below to let me know which of these 5 things helped you out the most. But let's just get right into this. Number 1 is that patience is key. I mean, this can apply to so many things in life, but within the Amazon FBA space, especially if you're starting out, Amazon FBA is not at all a get-rich-quick scheme. You know, this may have been true maybe 10 to 12 years ago when Amazon was kind of just starting out and people were just like putting out products. But in 2019, Amazon is not at all a get-rich-quick scheme, especially in your early stages of getting started in product research or finding the right supplier. You need to take your time. People are too quick to jump on profitable products that they find that they think they can sell without looking at things on the back end, like keyword search volumes for a specific product, or advertising costs for that product, or just competition in general. You don't want to jump into something that you might think is profitable, but there's too much competition or it's too saturated. And another thing is that they don't take time to look through suppliers. There could be 20 suppliers selling the same product at all different costs, but you're only looking at one supplier who you think or who you believe to be the best in terms of quality and pricing without actually comparing the others. You need to be patient in finding the right supplier, ordering samples. Ordering samples is something that a lot of people skip out on because they think they can cut the cost, save time, trust the supplier without actually having the physical product in your hand. Be sure to take your time, order samples, and ensure that what you have envisioned is what you're going to be supplying to your customers. So in short, be patient, take your time, find the right product, find the right supplier. The product opportunity is there, just be patient. Number 2, it takes money to make money. Now, when I say this, I do not mean that you're going to be throwing around money and hoping for something in return. When I say this, Amazon FBA private labeling especially, you will need to be putting out money, to be placing your initial bulk order, investing in yourself and your education by buying courses from proven sellers, just so that you have the foundation to know how to sell on the Amazon FBA platform. You need money to advertise your products on the Amazon FBA platform, and whatever initial starting costs and launch processes that your product may need to have. Amazon FBA is in no way a short-term game. It is definitely a long-term game. So it will always pay to invest in yourself, and it will always pay off to invest in the improving of your products. This will definitely increase your sales and just let people know that you're trying to produce a quality product that people want. With this said, it's safe to assume that just starting the Amazon FBA journey, what you had thought your initial costs would be is likely to double. But I mean, you need to invest in yourself and your self-knowledge in order to pursue a successful business model. So just keep this in mind. Don't expect to just pay $1,000 and make $1 million. Be sure and be prepared to pay for some extra costs to ensure that your product and your brand and your business will be successful. Now that brings me to number 3. Do not be selfish and be sure to put your customer base first. I am definitely guilty of this for the first few products that I had launched. I had thought of ways to profit as much as possible without actually taking into account like what the customer base actually wanted in certain products. For every product that you do put out, you need to ask yourself questions. You need to ask, why would this customer buy this product or my product over another competitor? Or if somebody was to purchase this item, what would make them want to leave a 5-star review? Or something like, is this something that I would be proud to sell? If you're able to answer those questions and other questions that you may think are relevant with all positive feedback, it is likely that you'd be able to produce a product in high demand or a product of quality. Now I know after saying this what you guys are all thinking, like, Andy, I need to make my 40, 50%, 60% margins. I can't do this if I need to make X, Y, and Z changes to the product. But I need you guys to take the time to think about this. Patience. If you guys are cutting corners in creating a product that is, and that end result is decreasing in quality for the product, this will in turn decrease your sales, and it'll end up in a failing product. So just take your time, figure out your margins. Margins are definitely important, but quality of the product is also important, and the satisfaction of your customers is number one. Build a product around what your consumers want and not what you think is best. Number 4, for what I had wished I had known before starting out my Amazon FBA private label journey, is that you should not be afraid to fail. One of the reasons why I was so hesitant in starting Amazon FBA was because I was afraid to fail. I was afraid to waste money, I was afraid to waste time, I was afraid I wasn't going to be successful or see any success. But guys and girls, I cannot stress this enough, with any business journey or any business venture that you are wanting to pursue, seriously, failing is inevitable. There is no success story to any successful entrepreneur that says that they never failed. Most people, and you hear this all the time, all entrepreneurs say their mistakes are the reasons why they thrive today. And many people don't start out their Amazon FBA journey or their business venture because they're afraid to fail. If you're serious about starting or wanting to start your Amazon FBA journey or any business venture at all, do your due diligence, minimize your risk, but most importantly, take action. Do not be afraid to fail. It's going to happen, but you will learn your lesson. Now, last but not least, the last thing that I had wished I had known before starting out my FBA journey is that it is not easy. When I had first started and I had seen the business model, I was like, oh man, this is so simple. All you need to do is find a profitable product, slap your logo on it, maybe change it up a bit, and you'll make millions overnight. No, this is definitely not the case, and I definitely learned this the hard way, but I'm more than thankful to have stuck with the business model. I quickly learned that it wasn't as easy as I had thought it was. It took a lot of hard work, persistence, adaptation. With all of the changes that happened in 2019 and 2018 and 2017 to the Amazon platform, it's always a constant change, and it's something that you have to learn to adapt to. And if you're able to do that and not be afraid to fail and be able to change your mindset and change your game plan constantly, you can succeed, and it's definitely possible. You just have to put in the work. It is not easy. Now that concludes it for this video. As mentioned before, please let me know in the comments below for which of the 5 things that I wish I had known had helped you out personally, or let me know what you wish you had known before starting out your FBA journey. As always, if you guys enjoyed the video or found it at all helpful, please be sure to drop a like. It means the world to me just to see those thumbs up. If you guys are starting out your Amazon FBA selling journey, or you guys are currently an Amazon FBA seller, be sure to subscribe. I'll be dropping videos every week, sometimes twice a week, probably twice a week. But also, if you haven't checked out the official Facebook group for this channel, be sure to go to Facebook, type in Prestige Amazon FBA Mastermind, or you can find that in the link in the description. But as always, I thank you guys so much for tuning in till the end. It means the world to me all the time. Just knowing that you guys are taking time out of your day to check out this video means the world to me. So until next time, I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.